Hello friends, we are going to draw a flowchart to calculate the total surface area of a cone. So this is a cone. So radius is given here. Height of the cone. This is the slant height of the cone. R is the radius, H is height, S is the slant height. Total surface area is TSA. The variable TSA stands for total surface area, which is equal to pi into radius into radius plus slant height. So this is the formula to calculate the total surface area. You will draw the flowchart for the same. So this is the start of the flowchart. Next I am appending input. Input radius and the slant height. Next I am calculating the total surface area. TSA equal to 3.14 is 5 into R plus S is the slant height. I have calculated the total surface area. Next, I am printing the result. Print TSA. And this is the logical end of this flowchart. So, I am applying input radius and their slant height and total surface area equal to 3.14 into the radius into radius plus slant height. Then I am printing the total surface area. This is the end of the flowchart. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.